Hi everyone, this is Gabby at Our Decorative Nest, and today I'm trying out some pour paint from Walmart. So for this project, we are using the pre-mixed pouring acrylic paint, and this is the first time that we are trying this out. For the first pumpkin, this will be my attempt, and the second one, I will have Gnome Backyard helping me out with that one. For this craft, I do recommend having at least some sort of protection on your countertop if that's where you're doing this project. And for us, we did use a canvas underneath to try and get the pour paint color there to make another cute craft. So like I said, this is our first time testing out the pouring paint. So if anyone has used pouring paint before and has any tips, make sure to drop those in the comments. Alright, so now it's Gnome Backyard's turn to try out some pouring paint. So for this project, we did get 2 different color pumpkins and 2 different sets of pouring paints from Walmart. At the Walmart that we visited, they had 4 different sets of pouring paints, as well as full-size pouring paint containers. So if you do have a favorite color that you want to use for your project, they most likely have it in stock. So the inspiration that Gnome Backyard and I had for this project is that we are in a local rock painting group, and a lot of them use the pouring paints on their projects. This project was definitely a messy one, but we sure had a lot of fun doing it. Now for the leftover pouring paint that's on the canvas, we are just going to move the canvas around and let the paint go from one side to the other. And here are the final projects of our painted pumpkins as well as the painted canvas. I hope you get to try this fun pour paint project out for the Halloween season. Happy crafting!